In this video, we're going to show you how to install the vapor canister on your Cadillac Escalade, located on the rear portion of the frame above the rear differential. Now, if you want to go ahead and locate that charcoal canister or vapor canister, you can follow your drive shaft back right where it meets the rear differential and look straight up. It's going to be right in the center of the vehicle, up attached to the frame. Here's the bracket, and the bracket holds the canister. Before we remove the bracket with the canister, we have three connections we need to disconnect. This one here comes around to the lower front side, and there is a clip on it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use a pair of hose pliers here, and we're going to slightly move this here, flex that hose, and there's a clip that you just need to depress. And sometimes you can do it by hand, but these pliers work absolutely perfect for such a job. And then slide the hose off. And right here is that tab that we're pressing in to release that lock. Now I'm going to reach up to just to the left of the driver's side of the differential in front of the axle. And this connector right here is held on by two retaining clips. There's actually, or two tabs. There's one right here and there's one on the other side. Now I'm using a pocket screwdriver to go ahead and do this. And I'm gently going to pry out on this side here, on this tab. And sometimes you'll need two of these. Now I got a mini pry bar here. You could probably use a screwdriver as well. And as you release this here, I'm gonna push on this to slide that up and over. The same thing here. And then wiggle that off. There you have it. Now there is another connector on the top. I'm gonna pull that up like that. Right here. You can reach up there and pull that locking tab up a little bit further. And do the same with this. Gonna slide this off. Here we go. Now all three connections are removed. Let's go ahead and pull the bracket down with the canister. I'm gonna use a 13mm socket with extension. Now we have those both broken loose. I'm going to switch over to another tool and zip those out. As you can see, that moved. So you want to be prepared as you drop this down that you don't get bonked in the head. Remove the 13mm bolt that is securing the canister to the bracket. Slide that out. Grab the new component. Now there's tabs around the base that actually interlock with the bracket itself. Go ahead and get your bolt started on this here. I'm just going to go ahead and gently snug that down. Let's go ahead and install this back into the vehicle. We're going to slide our unit back up into place here. Get our bolt started. Make sure those are both good and tight. Now our canister has these little red caps on there. Not going to work if you don't get rid of those. So make sure you remove the ones that are on the canister. I'm going to install the rear hose, slide that on, and then push down on the locking clip Now, if it's not on all the way, you won't be able to push that clip down. All right, the rear one is on. Install the upper one. Push that on, and you're gonna see the two tabs that we had flexed out engage and lock that into place. I'll just flex this around. I'm gonna install a forward vent line now. Slide that over and push it on. It's gonna auto lock. You're gonna hear it and feel it snap into place. Give it a little wiggle, check everything, make sure it's nice and secure. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.